Here are 7 DIY Christmas projects that you can do at home. First, we have our favorite buffalo plaid reindeer sign. I absolutely love this process. It's very new to me and it's super easy. The first time I did it, it came out literally perfect and I was so happy with it, and the process is fairly easy. It does include a lot of tape though. The next project was this little adorable palette sign with a little reindeer on it, and I think it just came out so nice. I did so many projects using our Happy Deer Family stencil, and it's just so versatile that you can use it on so many projects. Another one of my favorite projects is creating wooden signs out of those pre-cut pieces of wood from Lowe's or Home Depot or any store like that, honestly, and then you just attach them using a nail gun, or you can wood glue them together if you don't have that tool. We have many Christmas stencils on our website that include little punny text like "Oh dear" in this project, or we have the very traditional "Merry Christmas." Another one of my favorite projects was this rustic Christmas tree I made out of scrap wood, and it was super easy. Another fun kind of 3D ornament project that I made was this DIY sled, and I absolutely love it. And then after I put it all together, I just stenciled a simple snowflake on it, and I just think it gave the perfect touch to it. I hope you liked this handful of DIY Christmas projects. Make sure to comment down below which one was your favorite.